The 5-seater Limelight Flair DL Spa, a premium double lounger spa designed to turn heads with elevated design and advanced performance. Personalized controls and 2 unique lounges makes this model the favorite for many couples. 213 by 213 and 91 centimeters tall, this bestseller will not disappoint. Personalized controls, sculpted seats that deliver comfort where you need it the most. Every model comes with the optional freshwater salt system and the Freshwater IQ, the smart inline monitoring system that automatically tests your water and guides you with clear, simple instructions. Dual action filtration ensures every drop is clean and ready to enjoy. A simple control panel puts everything at your fingertips, while multicolor LED lighting and the fiber core insulation and a circulation pump that uses less energy than a 40-watt light bulb. The Limelight Collection, premium design, advanced comfort and everyday efficiency. Available at Watkins Spas in our Fonderola or St. Pedro store.